Labor laws in India. What is it? What are the objective of labor laws and what are the various acts under central and state? Hello friends, I am Veena. I welcome you to my channel. In this channel we will be covering topics pertaining to labor statutes, compliances, applicability, orders, notifications, amendments, exemptions, etc. Friends, for any business to be operational, an employer has to comply with the rules and regulations under the labor laws. Today in this video we will see which are these labor acts under the state and central and what are the objective. So let's begin with the video. What does labor mean? Labor means that which is related to employment, employee engagement and employer obligations. This particular simple question is I have covered for those people who are beginners in this field, who are trying to manage compliances and audits under the labor laws for their establishment. Let us look at what is the objective of the labor laws. Labor law is here to ensure the well-being of the workers, to help improve their socio-economic status and provide security for their future. It also covers for adequate wages, safety at workplace, reasonable work hours and to facilitate proper health conditions. As I said earlier, there are central and state acts under the labor laws. So first let us look at the central acts. These central acts which are common to the whole of India. So to begin with Minimum Wages Act, you have the Payment of Wages Act, Provident Fund Act, Employee State Insurance, Payment of Gratuity Act, Payment of Bonus Act, Maternity. It's not limited to these, there are more. So let us move to the other acts that are applicable under the central acts. Contract Labour Regulation and Abolition Act, Indian Industrial Dispute Act, Industrial Employment Standing Orders Act, Employees Compensation Act, Factories Act and Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace. So these are most of the central acts which I have covered here. Let us move to the state acts which are also important that an employer has to comply with. First is the Shops and Commercial Establishment Act, Labour Welfare Fund Act, Professional Tax and Trades Calling Act. There are also certain acts which are specific to some industries only, like Building and Other Construction Workers Act, the Boilers Act, Information Technology Act, Mines Act and such other. There are few central acts which also apply state rules. For example, Minimum Wages Act, the wages will apply as per the state notifications. There has been some recent development in the labor codes and certain merging have been happening. This we will discuss in the forthcoming videos. I am sure this comprehensive video was helpful to all those who wanted to understand the basics of labor laws. What is it, the acts and the objective. So do subscribe for this channel and let us look at more videos. Thank you.